Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own small batch of hummus. First, you'll need to grab a bag of garbanzo beans or dried chickpeas. For a small batch, you'll need about a pound of these. After adding the beans in a bowl, you're going to want to add some baking soda because it'll allow it to grow and taste much better. Then you'll add water and let the beans sit in it overnight. However, if you see foam starting to form up, you're going to want to change the water. Once you've noticed that the chickpeas have fully grown, you'll now want to add them inside a pressure cooker for about 30 minutes. Once the chickpeas have finished cooking, you'll now want to add them inside a blender. You'll also need to use some of the leftover liquid from the pressure cooker. You will use the liquid to fill up about 1/4 of the blender. Be sure not to add too much water because it might risk causing the hummus to become way too liquidy. Now start blending. You can stop whenever you feel the consistency is just right. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, our social media accounts. You should follow us on our Facebook and Instagram, link in the description below. And now I'm done blending. You can tell that's finished because of how smooth it is. Once you're done blending all your chickpeas, you'll now be able to store them inside your freezer for a very long time. However, if you want to make your hummus right now, you'll now want to use a small piece of garlic, 1 full lemon, although I have half a lemon, a pinch of cumin, the hummus that you've grinded up already, a pinch of salt, and finally some tahini. You'll now want to add these ingredients into your food processor pretty slowly because it can make the hummus much smoother and delightful. After this point, it's all experimental. It depends on how you like your hummus to taste and how much of the ingredients you'd like to add more of. The hummus looks a bit too stiff, so I'm going to add a bit of water to make it more runny. Be careful, you don't want to add too much water and make the hummus super runny. Once you've noticed that the hummus is much more smooth, you'll now want to take it out of the food processor and start decorating. Although these 3 ingredients are optional, they're traditional. We'll now be adding olive oil, paprika, and some chickpeas. And now you've successfully made your own hummus. Congratulations. Enjoy!